Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VRUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis many times before. That's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But very nice movement today. Finally got up above and broke through that very stubborn and annoying area of resistance right there. I know there was news that came out this morning. It was posted in our chat room early this morning. So congrats to the members that took advantage of that. And, especially with the final close right there. So, yeah. Definitely a nice mover today, and updates need to be made. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually I'm going to use these annotations. Yeah, they still pertain down here, but they're just not really relevant anymore. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's line everywhere. So like I said, I'm just going to use these levels for some of the near-term levels. First key level is the newest area of resistance, and nothing complicated behind this at all, other than the fact of, the price finally, kind of the party stopped right up there around 0.034. So 0.034 is going to be public enemy number one going forward, but resistance levels don't matter for this one. Why do I say that? Well, what matters is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. As long as the price keeps on building these higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, then from the grand scheme of it all, everything else eventually takes care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So really, top priority just needs to be, like I said, focusing on those higher bases. The ideal scenario going forward would be if the price can stay up there above 0.032. With that being said, though, what I'm not saying is that if the price falls below 0.032, that means that all of a sudden the entire chart is epically destroyed. I'm not saying that at all. All I'm saying is that what would make the chart look the absolute strongest going forward, definitely if the price could stay above 0.032, but by no means is that some sort of must-hold level or anything like that. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from the bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as the week plays out, that line's going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. But a very nice way to start off the week. The week is young, still 4 days left, so let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.